frankfurter roll fry dumpling full videos. Subscribe, like and share.
Hey guys, welcome back. Some Frank's roll fried dumplings. So we have some baking powder, cornmeal, and normal flour, right? So we add some salt to taste and flavor. So I'm gonna show you how we prepare my roll, right? Guys, you can see we have some sugar, same taste and flavor, guys. So we add some vanilla, same taste and flavor. Remember, if all that can go to fried dumpling, fried filters, anything, cake, porridge, anything. So we add some cinnamon powder, guys, same taste and flavor. So the recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. So this is the way we make my Frank's roll. So I add some baking powder on a board. So normally just normal homemade board. So it's a file paper put over the board, right? So see you do the knead up and thing. So the baking powder make the flour don't stick up, right guys? Yeah. So the recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, delicious. Remember, Frank's fried dumpling roll. So this is the way, starting by rolling. Drop it in the pot. So I'm going to turn them, don't want them burn up. Well guys, most of the ugly and thing about right now the recipe are nice and eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking. Guys, I'm not telling no lie. And I'm there, I'm hungry, can't done for the Frank's roll. Ready. Guys, so I say I turn them because I don't want them burning because the burn up food are really nice. I like when my own them just brown, normal. This is another style, so I'm going to put the Frank's inside of the dough. So enough more creative style I give them right now, guys, right? Yeah, so starting by turning them because I don't want them burn up. So I'm starting by turning up the one thing. Here another update. Add one more to the pot and thing. You know say you can add all four, depends how small. But guys, you can make food of them more smaller, but you don't know me. Yeah, so me like my own them guys, right? I have some turmeric and garlic and ginger tea right there. So the recipe is eatable, tastable. So I'm starting by turning them up and thing. I don't want them burn, I just want them fry for a normal crystal brown flavor. Like all these now, you know, see the one already, guys. So I'm take it out now, separate it. Guys, nobody watching look them nice, you know, guys. Frank's roller, nice, eatable, tastable. Yeah. So you know, so we are turning them up and think we don't want them burn up, because when them burning, they really taste nice, guys. So we add one more to it again, see me, right? Yeah. I will make a space now and put one more, see me, because I don't know, say the pot small still now, but I don't know. We will make it work how we want it, right? Yeah. So we add one more seal here right now, that space right there, so we're going to lock the pot, make it one steam fry, because I don't know. When it's steam fry, it's just nice and mildly and soft. Another update and thing. So I'm open back the pot now, you see how it look. So you call them steam fry, Frank's fried dumpling roll. So recipe are eatable, tastable. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment, guys. Alright? So some of you want them get crystal brown, I don't want them burn too much. So I'm going to remove them two here from the pot. Yeah, you can see what I want right there. You can see presentation of the recipe. So we're going to turn them on here, right? Because we don't want them burn up. We don't want them brown on this. When they get black, it not taste good, the bitter. Or anything burnt, not good, the bitter, right? Yeah. So the recipe are eatable, tastable, delicious, finger licking. So we're going to lock it, make it go and steam fry back again. Yeah, another update and things. So you know, so then the one they're ready and guys, so I'm going to remove them back from the aisle. You can see what I go on right there. See some dough there. So we have a loaf right here. Yeah, you don't know. So we're going to fry them same here. So we remove them from the aisle and thing. And we're going to add the rest of them. So the Frank's done. I just 6 Frank's alone, so you don't know, say. We're going to fry the rest in a dumpling. Right? Yeah. So we are showing the recipe step by step. So only can try it now, guys. It's a recipe and nice. So I'm going to add them to the aisle. Same way, make them fry. Yeah, go see the recipe, guys. You can see, same way them go fry. The recipe are nice, eatable, tastable. So now start set them because we don't want them itch up on one another. Yes, guys. So we're going to turn them because we don't want them burn up. We turn down the stove now, guys. You can see. I have to turn down the stove because I must say fried dumpling, they burn up. We don't want them burn up because most inside outside burn up and inside still raw. So we have to turn it down, make it low heat, penetrate and steam right through. Alright? Yeah. So now I update again for the fried dumpling, then guys, you can see them. So now I turn them because I don't want them burn. Yeah, I just want them on a smooth, normal, golden brown color, right? We don't want them get black. So you don't know, say, dumpling are not too pretty still, but you don't know how make them how we want them. So you can make them neater, yeah, and try the recipe and tell me about it. Because the recipe are nice, eatable, tastable, finger licking. So you're going to cover it, go and steam fry. Guys, remember, making them steam fry them nice and soft more, right? Although we put enough baking powder on it and things still, yeah. But I like make my dumpling them steam fry. You get a spongy, nice and smooth. When you bite it, it just fly through it. The recipe is eatable, tastable. So I add some more dumpling to my island thing. I don't know some more dumpling leaves back. Cover it and go and steam fry same here. I may have 2 eggs right there. I fry them same here. I don't know say. Some frankfurter fried dumpling and fry some add dumpling, add egg to the pot now. See the peeps. Just white alone, you see. You can see. Yeah, I separate it. See me drop the yellow night now. So I separate it. No more creative guys. Put the white first and put the yellow last after. See recipe fry and golden and brown and thing there. See Frank's fried dumpling roll them the same here. So I go flip my egg guys because I don't want it burn up and thing. Because when it burn, you know nice. Just want the crystal brown. With the crunchy on the side where you can eat it. Just a crisper. So I go flip it over. Yes, please like and share. Remember to subscribe. Leave a comment. Another update there on the recipe and things. You know the recipe ready. Please like and share. Comment. Bye guys. Later. Delicious.